Alright guys, welcome back to another video about this advent calendar. Today is December 2nd, so we are going to go ahead and open up the second door in the calendar. Here is number 2. It is called Comet's Cayenne Colon Cleanser. It says pencil thin red cayenne hot sauce. On the side here, it says Santa's second sauce recipe, a moderately hot chili pepper sauce that gives a wonderful flavor to any dish, also used to clean Comet's sensitive colon. Today I have a spoon to try it with. Go ahead and open it. I think number 1 was more like a Louisiana hot sauce. This one's looking more like a Tabasco. It smells more like a Tabasco, I think. You can smell the vinegar. I'm gonna go ahead and get another spoonful. It tastes a lot like a Tabasco or a Louisiana hot sauce. It's got a lot of vinegar and cayenne taste to it. Overall, it's pretty good. It doesn't have the Christmassy taste as number 1. I'm gonna go ahead and check the back of the box. There is the back of the box, if you could read that. Distilled white vinegar, cayenne pepper, salt, xanthan gum, sorbic acid, and citrus acid. So this is a very simple, basic cayenne hot sauce. The other one is a very simple, basic, aged cayenne hot sauce with cinnamon, allspice, sugars, and ginger. Well, thanks for watching. Join me tomorrow. We are going to open up the third door on December 3rd.